Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Yeti Lid is probably one of the most underrated yet essential upgrades for your favorite Rambler, transforming your daily hydration experience with its innovative magnetic slider design that offers unparalleled spill resistance and effortless cleaning, making it a game changer for anyone constantly on the go and seeking both convenience and durability in their drinkware accessories. Number 5. Yeti Rambler MagSlider Lid. This lid is designed to fit your Yeti 10 ounces lowball, 10-ounce mug, and 20-ounce tumbler. It offers a seamless experience unlike any other slider lid. Experience effortless opening and closing thanks to its innovative magnetic technology. It's designed for your convenience and ease of use. Cleaning is a breeze with its magnetic design. Simply pop the slider off, give it a rinse, dry it, and put it back on. The magnetic slider provides an extra layer of protection to help keep your drinks contained. Please note, it is not completely leak-proof. You can always see how much drink is left thanks to its crystal clear construction. No more guessing if you need a refill. Enjoy peace of mind with its spill-resistant, shatter-resistant, and BPA-free materials. It's built to last and keep you safe. What we like. This original lid offers a unique magnetic slider for smooth operation. Its magnetic design also makes cleaning incredibly simple and hygienic. If you value brand quality and effortless maintenance, this is the perfect choice for your Rambler. What people say. The magnetic slider is a great addition and it slides smoothly. The lid fits perfectly and doesn't leak. It's easy to clean and the magnet is strong. Number 4. Yeti Tumbler 30-ounce replacement lids, 3-pack. Elevate your tumbler with our matching rings, available in our storefront. Find the perfect complement to your new lids. These lids are designed to fit your 30-ounce tumblers perfectly. They are compatible with Yeti and Hydro Flask, among others, ensuring a great fit for your favorite brands. Enjoy your favorite beverages on the go without any worries. Our lids provide a spill-proof and leak-free experience, making every sip a pleasure, no matter the journey. Keep your lids clean with ease. The removable slider allows for thorough cleaning, preventing buildup and ensuring a fresh drinking experience every time. Our lids offer a precise fit for your 30-ounce tumblers. Enjoy a secure seal that prevents unexpected spills, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. What we like. This pack provides 3 replacement lids, ensuring you always have a spare. Its spill-proof design offers a truly leak-free experience for on-the-go adventures. If you need multiple reliable lids and prioritize absolute spill protection, these are an excellent value. What people say. The magnetic slider is a great addition, it slides smoothly and seals well. It fits perfectly on my Yeti tumbler and doesn't leak. The lid is easy to clean and the magnetic slider is a nice touch. Number 3. 30-ounce tumbler magnetic slider lid, 2-pack. Tired of lids that don't fit? This replacement lid is designed for most 30-ounce tumblers with a 3.6-inch mouth diameter. It's compatible with popular brands, ensuring a snug fit for your favorite cup. Enjoy your drinks without the mess. The silicone O-ring creates a tight seal to prevent leaks, while the thick design helps keep your beverages at the perfect temperature for longer. Crafted from high-grade, BPA-free plastic, this lid is built to last. It's shatter-resistant, eco-friendly, and easy to clean, making it a safe and reliable choice for daily use. Experience effortless use with the smooth magnetic slider. It's removable for easy washing and designed to prevent spills, while the drinking hole accommodates direct sipping or a straw without touching your nose. No more guessing if you need a refill. These lids are crystal clear, allowing you to easily see how much beverage is left inside. Keeping your lid clean is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe for your convenience, though we recommend avoiding microwave use. What we like. This lid boasts broad compatibility, fitting many popular tumbler brands. It features a thick design for enhanced heat insulation, keeping your drinks at the desired temperature longer. If you own various tumblers and seek a versatile lid that also boosts insulation, this is a strong contender. What people say. The magnetic slider lid is a game changer for keeping drinks hot or cold for extended periods. The slider mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, even with one hand. It fits perfectly on my Yeti Rambler, creating a leak-proof seal. Number 2. Hittoman Magnetic Spill-Proof Tumbler Lid. Introducing the Hittoman Magnetic Spill-Proof Tumbler Lid, designed to keep your drink secure. It's the perfect accessory for your favorite tumblers. This lid is specifically engineered for Yeti 20-ounce tumblers, 10 ounces lowballs, 10 ounces mugs, and 16-ounce pints. Enjoy a perfect fit and reliable performance. Featuring a unique magnetic slider, this lid offers easy operation and simple cleaning. The sliding piece is removable for thorough washing. Operate it effortlessly with one hand for convenient, splash-proof use. It's ideal for your car or any on-the-go situation. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free AS crystal clear plastic, it's impact and shatter resistant. It maintains its clarity even after years of use. With the Hittoman promise, you can trust in our commitment to quality and excellent after-sales service. We guarantee your satisfaction with a replacement or refund if needed. What we like. This lid features a magnetic slider for quick, one-handed opening and closing. Its robust, impact-resistant material ensures long-lasting clarity and durability. If you need a convenient, tough lid for quick sips while driving or multitasking, this one is designed for you. What people say. The magnetic slider is a game-changer, it slides so smoothly and seals perfectly. No leaks at all, even when the cup is tipped over. The magnetic closure is very secure. Easy to clean, the slider part comes off easily for thorough washing. Number 1. Yeti Rambler MagSlider. Introducing the Yeti Rambler MagSlider. It's the perfect accessory for your favorite Rambler drinkware. Keep your drink secure and spill-free. The MagSlider lid offers a powerful magnetic closure. This ensures a tight seal to prevent leaks and spills, no matter where you go. Designed for convenience, the MagSlider is incredibly easy to attach and remove. It slides open smoothly for effortless sipping. Crafted with Yeti's signature durability, this lid is built to last. It's the reliable companion for all your adventures. Whether you're on the trail, at the office, or relaxing at home, it keeps your beverage just the way you like it. Enjoy your drinks with confidence. What we like. As an authentic accessory, it provides the reliability and quality expected from the brand. The magnetic slider offers a smooth, controlled drinking experience. If you appreciate genuine brand accessories and a consistently clear view of your beverage, this is a solid, dependable option. What people say. The magnetic slider is a fantastic addition, making it incredibly easy to open and close. It seals perfectly and prevents any spills, even when the cup is tipped over. The lid is very durable and has held up well to daily use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.